Hello my beautiful people, you welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be preparing buttercream for cake decoration. Like this video, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to my channel, turn to the notification bell to know when I upload another video. Thank you. Keep watching and see how I'm going to prepare this buttercream. So preparing this buttercream, I'm going to use 7 grams of icing sugar. Get your measuring scale to measure it and have 7 grams. So I've already measured it, as you can see. Then I'll sieve it so that it will give me a smooth icing sugar. So I'll pour it into my sieve. Then sieve it very well. This is why you should sieve your icing sugar. You see the crumbs here? So you sieve it very well. And after sieving it, you have a very smooth icing sugar. And when you are mixing it, it will give you very smooth and beautiful buttercream. Grams of icing sugar. I'm going to use 250 grams of butter. Using 250 grams of butter, I'm not going to use machine mixer to mix it. So I'm going to use a bowl, a round bowl, as you can see. Then empty in my butter. And take my wooden stick, mix it. Continue mixing it until it turns creamy before adding your icing sugar. You'll be adding it bit by bit. When it is ready, very easy to mix. You cream it very well until it is whitish in color. See how creamy it is. So it is ready now to add your icing sugar bit by bit until you have the texture you want. See how it is now, very firm. So you can preserve, how you can preserve your icing or cream, icing cream or buttercream. You preserve it, take a cellophane bag, open it like this, as you can see. And package it. Take a Ziploc bag, then put it inside. Take another one, and whenever you want to use it, you quickly remove it from the freezer or fridge and add the color that you want to add and decorate your cake. You see that? So you zip it very well, then put it in the refrigerator. Thank you. Like this video, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel. Turn to the notification bell to know when I upload another video. Thank you.